Yeah, I think the main difference is that after this machine, my fingers, my hands get improved now, because after the chemotherapy, all the fingers and the hands got darkened and black in color because of the pigmentation of the nipple, the chemotherapy, the drugs. But I think that this machine can help our body to restore the normal function of the cells, and I think and I hope it will help the cancer.
But how did it help your hands?
How did it help my hands? My hands not like this before. It's all got dark in color and got ulcers here, and then after the machine it turns pink in color, have got the new skin regenerate, and then all the darkened color becomes normal and pink in color now. And therefore because now the difference must be food after the chemotherapy is got dark in color,
and that's lighter now.
Yeah, we've got ulcers at the bottom. It's horrible, but now I try the machine today and see whether it will help the toes and also my feet.
But also it got lighter.
Yeah,
it got lighter today.
Yeah.
How long did you do the iELLIOS? How long did you do it? Did you do the iELLIOS?
This one?
Yeah.
5 times only.
5 times.
5 times only, and then it's got like this now. It's okay.
And the pain went away, right?
Yeah.
The pain went away.
Because I continue chemotherapy on and just received the chemotherapy on 31st of March.
Yes.
And then my feet got very pain and dark in color and all the pigment come out.
Yeah.
And also next time maybe I will try to do on my face. Dr. Max said that because my tongue have some pigment.
Oh yeah.
Can you see the hyperpigmented area here?
Yeah. So we do it on the face. Yeah.
Yes, Dr. Max said that maybe next time she will help me to do it on my face and see whether the pigment will maybe subside.
Okay.
And I hope it works.
Okay, good.
I think it will.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for your help.
Thank you.
And I hope this machine can help the cancer patient also.
I hope so too.
Yeah, I know. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bueno, el tráfico estaba...
Tu niña.
Estaba bien el tráfico. Y mi niña
¿Qué
con la
hiciste?
familia en casa, encerrada. Se me